for the future editors, so Chelsea, I tell you, he does not listen. And he goes against, in the challenge of what I know about this industry, whether energy or otherwise. But most important is to know your leaders' view and position on certain issue. And the church is not told what to do. Like this, so that's just like that history and over. Right now, there are others that are so that you can never find. And I want to sit you down with him. And I want to sit down with him. And after I was not put that church, she did not kiss her, she did not put her. Where the whole sport, you know, don't go around the machine. I hope you look at Sweden on the church in the spring. You know where I want to solve. These are the things that are there, these are the problems. I will tell you how to resolve them. What's the way to funga with it? What's the way to something is going to happen to you, what? As long as good and president not trouble with the same line, that is very good. So, and he will succeed. If he just listen. And your chance was too, he thought he was too intelligent. This is not about intelligence. This is about using the resources that are there to make the country great. Period. And you should know the limitations. Examples are only one as poverty. In any President Rapa is not looking for that labor. Why I will not fail my case for that labor? That's when they appointed Captain the one of the president is getting too expensive. President of Russia is told, number 9 I'm going to say that I didn't get to Katana Soti, Tagafoy, I would account to food. Deva. They get the my father. Guide the Pakistan. So they come here now to be able to please everyone. He was now using more water from Kari than anyone is going to go to Kari. And right now the levels are low. And yet you're supposed to protect that water for October 27. And the Oguchi one is dead, the room of fire at the so at the same time, Banachi, Barama Mujga will be pushing what we don't have. But Ukuma Mujga will have Nashas. And so you'll be biting both sides of the bank. Come on. So Chasiga, any Ukum was outside. Usa in Yai Pudaba in Bazana Bazao. Don't move out here, I never manage our issues and serious issues. And it goes to what the hell was it trying to do with them? What was that about? And I know exactly, the president told me exactly what happened on that issue. Yeah, with them, and that's Nadara noticed that he was away from work for about a week, 10 days.
But my court rulings are equal no court action.
No, the teacher is there always. Because we man just kind of other politicians and I started to say I know we are going to do them to the same area with notify. And again, possible to do it for country. Can I still do it right and pay that? To talk about how are we going to structure? One of the things that I am pushing and is one of the reasons why I'm a big attacked a lot is that there are no Zimbabweans who are participating in the economy to the extent that I am. So we need to push more Zimbabweans out there so that they need to participate and succeed. So that's what I'm pushing. So that we can use that which is anti-vaccination I put it in. I put it in so that noise necessary. Project is $87 million insignificant in terms of size. And then, so if he succeeds, then all of us are going to be fine. But not the way that you did it, you put it on your lap, which is direct out, because it's continue. When you're not certain things. And some of the people that just was working on that project with that are your people that you don't like. That will go there.
dana
ay wa ko se mo police